Hi everyone, I am Mary from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from SNS College of Engineering. So here are my teammates Akash, Arun Shankar, Akhil and Hari. So today we are going to discuss a topic about overview about Hadoop. So Hadoop is an Apache open source framework written in Java that allows distributed processing of a large dataset across clusters of computers using simple programming models. Hadoop framework application works in an environment that provides distributed storage and computation across cluster of computers. Hadoop is designed to scale up from single server of thousands of machines, each offering a local computation and storage. In short, Hadoop is an open source software framework for sorting and processing big data in a distributed way on large clusters of computing hardware.
Why we are using Hadoop? Its capability of handling massive amounts of data, different categories of data fairly quickly, low cost. It is an open source framework and uses community hardware to store enormous quantities of data. Computing power. Hadoop is based on distributed computing model, therefore more number of computing nodes, the processing power at hand, scalability. When adding more nodes as the system grows, requires less administration, storage flexibility. Hadoop provides convenience of storing as much as data one needs and also added flexibility of deciding later to how to use the stored data. Innate data protection. Hadoop protects the data and executing applications against hardware failure. If a node fails, it automatically redirects the jobs that have been assigned to the node to the other functional and available nodes.
Hadoop is a open source software framework to store and process massive amount of data in the distributed fashion of large clusters of commodity hardware. Basically, Hadoop accomplishes two tasks: massive data store, fast data processing. Key aspects of Hadoop: open source framework, distribute, massive storage, fast processing.
Hadoop core components. Hadoop Common. These are Java libraries and utilities required by other Hadoop modules. These libraries provide file system and OS level abstractions and constitute necessary Java file and scripts required to start Hadoop. Hadoop distributed file system. A distributed file system that provides high throughput access to application data. Hadoop map reduce. This is yarn-based system for parallel processing of large data sets. Hadoop built another resource navigator. This is a framework for job scheduling and cluster resource management.
Hadoop ecosystem. Hadoop ecosystem supports projects to enhance the functionality of Hadoop core components. The eco projects are follows: Hive, Pig, Scoop, HBase, Fluke, OZ, Abari, Mahav, Spark, Zookeeper. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about firewall in Adobe products. Adobe products have various firewall and security features, including web application firewall. This service is available for Adobe Commerce on cloud infrastructure and protects against malicious requests. It's only available in production environment and helps ensure PCI compliance. Outbound firewall. This feature is available for Adobe Common Starter projects and filters with TCP outbound request can leave the site. This is also known as egress filtering. Firewall configuration for Adobe Workfront. Adobe Workfront communicates with an organization network, so the firewall must be configured to allow this communication. This can be done by creating an allow list of sites that are permitted to send or receive data through a firewall. Firewall configuration for Adobe Content 12. IP address and range for Adobe Connect's clusters are updated to accommodate IPv4 to IPv6 update. Customers can contact Adobe Connect support for a list of IP addresses for their cluster. Network endpoints for Adobe apps and services. This can be found at armdl.adobe.com. Domains to be allowed for Adobe apps and services. These include lmlicense.adobe.com, resource.license.adobe.com, cs.licenses.adobe.com, exception.licenses.adobe.com, pubsearch.license.adobe.com, workflow.license.adobe.com, and auth.services.adobe.com.